Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. So we have another partnership with Vechain, and like all these partnerships, you can see that Vechain's like Vitho burn is slowly creeping up, and these are some of the reasons they're slowly creeping up. They've entered a cooperation or partnership with smart tag provider Ubique tag from China, and they've already had some transactions going through it, as we'll see later. The partnership enables the complete tracing and documentation of high-priced alcohol. Otherwise, like if you're Chinese, you know what baijiu is. It's called like white wine. It's like literally translates into white wine, but it's kind of a little different from like other white wine. And they trace these high-priced brands on the Vechain Tor blockchain. In 2020, companies worldwide will continue to suffer financial losses from counterfeit products. According to Statista, the damages amount to more than $320 billion. Among the affected industries are food and spirits industry, which is also experiencing large losses in China. The new cooperation between Vechain and Ubique Tag now declares war on counterfeiters. Ubique is a professional smart tag supplier holding more than 20 national patents in China and is driving the development, manufacturing, and application of RFID and EAS tags. Ubique is also the second largest EAS tag supplier in the world. In a new blog post, Vechain has announced the cooperation with Ubique Tag. The company has integrated Vechain's tracking services toolchain to enable its customers to trace high-quality liquors and spirits as a first step. Several variants of baijiu liquor, popularly known as China's national drink, and that's actually somewhat true. Like anyone who drinks actually drinks that stuff in China. From Yanghe and Sangshu and two subsidiary brands of Jiangsu Yanghe Brewery Joint Stock Company (Ltd) have already completed over 500,000 transactions on Vechain Tor blockchain since its launch. A lot of transactions already. So this is not theoretical. This is not like, oh, we're going to use this in the future. They've already started using it, and they're going to use it a more large scale now. But they've already completed more than 500,000 transactions on the Vechain Tor blockchain. According to data from the China Alcoholic Drinks Association, that's kind of a funny name, the Alcoholic Drinks Association, sales across China have fallen by more than 40% during the pandemic, but it will go up after the pandemic. However, in contrast, new online sale channels have been established and are growing steadily due to new conditions, according to Euromonitor. However, there are also numerous counterfeit products in the area. Like several like really expensive varieties of baijiu are very heavily counterfeited, and as much as like 90% of some of the most expensive brands are actually counterfeited. So it's very hard to tell. Like one of them I would think is like multi. That stuff is so heavily counterfeited. It's like a treasure to actually know which one is real. The Yanghe Group therefore collaborates with the Ubique Tag and uses the new possibility of the IoT plus blockchain traceability solution based on the Vechain toolchain. This involves placing two QR codes on both the bottle and the carton to verify the authenticity of the products through a double check. According to Vechain's report, this solution is unique to date and provides unparalleled security, so they're adding more techniques into it, and I'm sure other companies with high-priced products will actually find this interesting. All important data regarding production, distribution, and other important information, along with the supply chain, is logged on the Vechain Tor blockchain and stored in a tamper-proof manner. End users can scan the QR code by using a scanner and get immediate access to all stored product information. The Yanghe Group also benefits from this, as valuable data about suppliers and delivery times can be collected and evaluated. By verifying authenticity, confidence in the products will increase in the long term, and so will the company's sales. On the other hand, Ubique Tag can extend its own product portfolio in cooperation with Vechain by blockchain applications. The Vechain toolchain offers different interfaces on the blockchain technology, which can be tested and integrated into the own processes by companies easily and quickly without any previous knowledge. So excellent news for Vechain. This is actually really big in China. I know there's a lot of Chinese partnerships already, but everyone drinks baijiu in China, and some of the most popular brands are heavily counterfeited. A lot of economics losses each year, and I'm thinking like companies that actually make these expensive brands will want to prevent counterfeiting with Vechain blockchain. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.